Hello, this is Dave from Playout 1 with your August 2019 update. We've got some exciting things to show you over the course of the next 10 minutes or so. Just want to give you full disclosure though, where I'm currently recording this video from, right next door is a fire truck station here in Canada. So if you hear some fire trucks, it's not an added sound effect from me just to make the video a little bit more entertaining. So I do apologize for that. So let's crack on and let's see what we've got for you in this lovely update for August 2019. Dev team have been working so hard in creating some really exciting features for WebVT, which I'm going to show you. So let's log in and see what we've got. First thing you're going to notice is a brand new control panel at the top of the screen there. Yes, this is what we call the on-air control panel, and you can enable it for certain users. What's it there for? Well, let's just imagine you're going out on a remote broadcast and you need to be able to control the automation system, Playout 1 Pro, back at the mothership. Usually you'd have a board operator there, and you'd be communicating back into, when I say this, play next. And sometimes it works, and sometimes there's cross wires and there's a gap, and it all gets a little bit confusing. Well, gone are those days with Playout 1 Pro and this new on-air control panel, because you can control it all direct from the web browser. So what we're saying is, when you go down to that local car dealership, you're doing that store opening, wherever you may be. Maybe you're on a cruise ship giving away a lovely cruise to some wonderful listeners. This is going to be absolutely fantastic for you. What we have is the current playing song, as you can see there, Adele's Chasing Pavements, about 3/4 of the way through. We've got a stop here on Adele, but we can toggle the chain of that, so it's now going to chain for us. We can also put the system in auto and live by doing this. So if we're in live now, we put a stop on that there. Adele is going to stop in a minute, and we can then advance the next item with that big play button as well. So what does this mean? Well, we did a little bit of testing with our partner station a couple of weeks ago, and they used CleanFeed to send the audio back from the location to the studio, again in the web browser, and then they used WebVT to control the system. We can see the gap time, we can see what's coming up, we can make changes as we wish, so we can move that to there if we want to. We can insert things into the playlist by just going into the media finder and searching for a song that we can put in. So if I search for Benson, George Benson, we can insert that. So we don't need to rely on a board operator anymore to have something happen in the studio. It's fantastic. It really is. So as you can see, Adele has stopped now. So if we just put this back in full log view, we want to hit play. We hit play and off goes the next item. It really is so quick and so nimble. So we're not even using the voice tracking capability inside WebVT. We're taking it to another level by giving you a remote control tool that you can take out into the field and control the automation system. Say goodbye to LogMeIn. Say goodbye to TeamViewer. This is all you need from now on. So that's really exciting. What else have we got? Well, there's two new icons you may have seen at the start of this video. One is this one here. It's the station whiteboard. Yeah, of course. There's always a whiteboard in a station, so we've just virtualized it. So this is where you can add those live reads, you can add those contact details, so presenters logging in to record their shows can see the latest updates. Emails are great, but emails get lost. The station whiteboard is the new central source of information. You can control who can edit this whiteboard, so the equivalent of taking away the marker pens and locking them in your office. And if the icon is blue, it means there's something on the whiteboard. Similarly, we have what we call Hour Notes. So this allows presenters who are recording their show to say, I gave away a lovely CD today. Terrible, I know. But it means if I'm promoting that hour, I can have a look and see what the presenter did if they've noted what they have done in the hour on the hour notes. Also good for program directors as well. If you want your presenter to do something specific in that hour, just bob it on the hour notes and that will show up as well when they come into voice track their show. So those are your enhancements for WebVT. You'll be able to download this update yourself in the next few days. We're also making it really easy for you to update WebVT yourself. If you go into the settings menu, and if you're an admin, logging in as the admin username, you'll have this lovely button here that says Update WebVT. You can click that and it will update to the latest version. Don't need any of our support. So that's the update for August. We've got some really exciting stuff coming in September. We're going to be doing an overhaul on the hotkeys for both Pro and Standard. So that's going to be very exciting. Some really great stuff, including being able to drag from the hotkeys direct into the log. I know lots of you have asked for it. It's coming very soon. Also, we've got some really, really interesting integrations coming with Live 365 and Music Master as well. So we're excited to share those with you in September. Can't wait. In the meantime, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to email our support team, support@playout1.com. Thank you for watching.